Have you ever wondered why core cutting is so vital in the field of civil engineering? Well, it's a cornerstone technique that significantly influences the success of construction and infrastructure projects. You see, core cutting is a method that involves extracting a cylindrical sample from a structure. This simple yet ingenious technique allows engineers to peek into the internal structure and composition of the material, almost like a window into its soul. But why is that important? Well, imagine trying to understand a book without reading its pages. Quite impossible, right? Similarly, core cutting is the method by which engineers read the internal characteristics of construction materials. This process offers invaluable data for structural analysis and quality control, ensuring that structures are safe, durable, and meet the necessary standards. It's almost like a health checkup, but for buildings and infrastructure. Without core cutting, civil engineers would be left in the dark about the true condition of the structures they work on. Now that we understand why core cutting is important, let's delve into the unique techniques involved in this process. We commence with the preparation phase. This is the foundation of a successful core cutting operation. It's crucial to identify the correct location for core cutting, ensuring that the structural integrity of the building won't be compromised. This phase also involves a thorough safety check of the site. We need to ensure the area is free from hazards and that all operators are equipped with the necessary personal protective equipment. Remember, safety is paramount in any engineering operation. Moving on to the drilling phase. This is where we bring in the core cutting machine, a specialized tool designed to drill cylindrical holes into the structure. Depending on the material and the size of the core needed, different types of core cutters may be employed. The machine is positioned accurately over the marked spot, and the drilling begins. The key here is to maintain a steady pace and apply even pressure to avoid any damage to the surrounding structure. Next, we enter the extraction phase. This is a delicate operation as the core sample is carefully removed from the structure. The core, which is a cylindrical piece of the structure, provides valuable information for further testing and analysis. It's vital to handle this sample with care to preserve its integrity for accurate results. Finally, we arrive at the post-extraction phase. This is where we ensure the building is left in a safe and stable condition. The hole that was created during the drilling phase is filled and sealed to maintain the structural integrity of the building. This step is crucial to prevent any future complications or structural failures. As you can see, core cutting is a meticulous process that requires precision and care. It's not just about drilling a hole, it's about ensuring the safety of the site, handling the equipment correctly, preserving the sample for analysis, and leaving the structure in a safe and secure state. Truly, a fascinating blend of science, technology, and craftsmanship. Let's recap what we've learned about the unique techniques of core cutting in civil engineering. Core cutting is a fundamental procedure in this field. It plays a pivotal role in structural analysis and quality control. By obtaining a cylindrical sample, engineers can assess the internal composition of structures and evaluate their integrity. This not only helps in detecting any flaws within the structure, but also in creating a roadmap for future construction. Moving on to the step-by-step process of core cutting, it starts with the preparation phase. This involves determining the right equipment and location for drilling. Following this, the drilling phase takes place, where the core is extracted. The extraction phase is next, where the core is carefully removed to avoid any damage. Post-extraction, the core is then prepared for analysis. Every step of this process is crucial and requires a meticulous approach. Remember, the quality of your core sample can significantly impact your structural analysis. With a good understanding of these techniques, you're well on your way to mastering the art of core cutting in civil engineering.